Looking for a face wash for oily skin or just a simple face wash? You have come to the right place. This homemade face wash for clear skin recipe can do wonders for your skin, particularly if it's oily or prone to acne. While most stores brush facial cleanser have artificial ingredients and can be pricey, this DIY facial cleanser can be made with 4 simple ingredients in under 2 minutes. Today's video discusses homemade honey face wash for clear skin. Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. Key facial cleanser ingredients. 1. Coconut oil. Coconut oil contains 3 fatty acids, capric, caprylic, and lauric acid that possess both disinfectant and antimicrobial properties, helping to protect against as well as heal microbial infections. 2. Raw Manuka honey. Did you know that honey is antibacterial? It actually reacts with the body's fluid to make hydrogen peroxide, creating an inhospitable environment for bacteria. 3. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar contains specific components like acetic acid, lactic acid, succinic acid, and citric acid, all of which have been shown to inhibit the growth of acne, the specific strain of bacteria responsible for causing acne. These bacterial components may also reduce scarring. It's also why it's made for a good facial toner. If you have an issue with apple cider vinegar, go with coconut vinegar instead. 4. Tea tree oil. Research shows that tea tree oil can be just as effective as benzoyl peroxide for the treatment of acne, but with less irritant side effects. The study conducted that tea tree oil can be significantly improve mild to moderate acne. How to make and use. Making the DIY facial cleanser could not be much easier. Heat up the coconut oil in a small pan at a low heat. Add to small glass mixing bowl. Add the rest of the ingredients and mix together until well combined. Pour into a glass bottle and store in cool place. For using before bed and or first thing in the morning, moisten your face with lukewarm water. Put a small amount of facial cleanser in your palm and rub your hand together. Then gently apply it to your face moistly with your fingertips. Clean your face for 20 to 30 seconds before then rinsing out with lukewarm water. Pat dry with a clean towel. Are you going to try this? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.